In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications on your TikTok Android app. So if you want to stop the annoying pop-up notifications, just go to settings and open it. And from here, go and look for the apps option, and the apps option is here. Tap on it to open. Now you may want to go and look for the function called manage apps. Now it is good to remember that this process is almost the same on any Android smartphone. So when you get to manage apps, scroll down until you get to TikTok. And as you can see, my TikTok app is here. Tap on it to open. Now we are interested in notification, and as you can see under notification, it is set to yes. So if we open it, we have here an option to turn off all the notifications by using this option, or turn specific notifications off or on. So I just want to turn all the notifications off. So I'll go ahead and toggle this to turn off the notifications. Now from here, you will never receive any notifications from TikTok unless you go direct to the app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.